Welcome to valsquicktips&tricks cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या cooking channelaचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली. And today I'm going to show you all marzipan. So for that main ingredients is almonds. I'm showing you a smaller quantity because in my family, like our family, we are not so fond of marzipan. But I want to show you all how to make marzipan. So for that I have taken some almonds from farm fresh and I am using because it is a smaller quantity. So 100 gram, 130 rupees, and this is hot water. So I am going to soak this and keep this for overnight, and we have to take out all the skin. So let it get soaked in hot water. Okay, next procedure, we need some milk powder and some powdered sugar. So let's do that. I will show you all the next procedure. Very simple procedure. You just grind all into fine paste, and then you have to cook till it becomes hard, and then you knead it and you put it in the mold. That is how the marzipan. But marzipan is of almonds. Okay. So okay. See you. Let's make a marzipan, that is cooked marzipan. There are two types of marzipan. That is, one is French style without cooking, and one is cooked. So I am doing cooked version. So these are soaked and peeled, and they are not wet also much. So almonds. Then I have taken one egg white. This is enough, and then sugar I will be adding around 1 cup. Okay, and 1 cup I will leave it for like kneading time, when we need to knead it. If it has become little bit of wet, then we need to knead it. So, and then some molds later. So let's now start. And some food color also you need for our marzipan. So let's see which colors we are going to add. So these are the colors you get, food color. If you want natural colors, then yes, but only one natural color you will get, but the flavor will be different. So it's depending upon you. So let's start. Now we have to grind this 1 cup of sugar, this egg white, and this almonds. And now it's time to cook. So this again on a low flame till it becomes thick. Then we knead it and shape it. Now let's add little bit of salt and little bit of essence. You can add almond essence or you can add any vanilla essence. Now it's on low flame. So few drops of vanilla essence. Mix. So marzipans are always made of almonds, that is badam. Okay, and milk cream is made of cashew nuts, but in Goa, yes, marzipans are also made out of cashew nuts. So it depends, but original, I'm saying the proper way is almonds. And good quality almonds. Cook on low flame till it leaves the sides of the pan. Procedure is same whether for milk cream or for marzipan. And keep on stirring. Hand exercise. So now it's getting cooked quickly. This is easier than the milk cream. Milk cream has 2 to 4 cups of milk in that. And to stir, it takes time. In this only egg white and almonds. It's done. So now we will put off the gas and let it cool for few minutes, and then we will knead it as per how we want. So now take little bit of icing sugar and dust and then knead it to a soft ball. Then wrap it in a cling film and keep it for a while. Then we will do coloring and all that next procedure. Yeah. So now we'll cut into 3 or 4 only you want to make, and then we will add color on each. So now this one we will add pink, so one is pink, then we'll make green. Okay, keep this aside. Green. Now red. Tomato red. So now we will put this in mold and shape it as per your desire, or you can cut it in square if you don't have a molds. And here is our marzipans ready for Christmas to serve, to share with your loved ones and your neighbors. Hope you all will make this marzipan. Color is your choice. If you don't want to add color, then it's up to you. But it looks nice when it is all colorful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Jai Bari Karo.